All right, problem number 15 is another one where they're not really asking us to do much math. They're asking us to understand the purpose of the math. And so we've got this function, a of t is equal to 12 times 2 to the t over 6 power. And that is modeling the number of water hyacinths over time, where the function is equal to the number of water hyacinths and t is the time in days. And they want us to interpret 2 to the t over 6 power. Like, what does that mean? Well, in this case, the 2 is telling me what... Well, let's start here, actually. Let's say that 12 is probably the number of water hyacinths that are there from the beginning, right? Because I believe that if we have a t value of 0, that's going to make my exponent 0. 2 to the 0 power is 1, and so 12 times 1 is 12. And so at a time of t equals 0, we're going to get 12. So 12 is our starting point. I know we weren't asked about that, but I think it's useful to discuss. What is the 2 going to do? The 2 is going to keep doubling that 12 a whole bunch of times. In fact, as frequently as the exponent tells us to do it. So the 2 is sort of a word that means I'm going to double things a bunch. That is actually going to let me start to eliminate some of my wrong answers. It's not going to be C or D, which mention increasing by 2. That's not right. It's going to be either A or B, which both mention doubling. And it's not just a straight t times, because after 6 days, I get 6 over 6, which is 1. So 2 to the first power, every 6 days, it's only going to double once. And so that looks to me like answer choice B, not answer choice A.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for all future notifications.